Welcome to the four-time club, Helio Castroneves! I've been very fortunate to call many standout moments, so it's quite difficult to pinpoint one, but one that pops into my mind just because of the historical significance was when Helio Castroneves won his fourth Indy 500. That was in 2021, and Helio was no longer with Team Penske, and kind of the swell of enthusiasm and the storyline going around is it possible that Helio could join the four-time club? You know, just even that notion of him being in that rarefied air for everything that Helio had done in his incredible career. But to be able to be in the booth and to call that magical moment of him joining the four-time club, and then the reaction afterwards, not only by himself and his family, but his peers, and the entire pit lane at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway was really remarkable. Look at the crowd, they know history's on the line. Welcome to the four-time club, Helio Castroneves! That is awesome! The really special thing to witness, and for young drivers, I would encourage them, if they didn't see it, to go back and watch it, if you have the time to watch the whole race, because Helio achieved that career milestone through everything that he had learned through his 20 plus years in IndyCar, through his skill level, through his unique relationship with the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. But I think most importantly, he won that race and he became part of the four-time club through patience. And that's a really important thing for young drivers, because whether you're a driver or a football player or baseball, whatever, you're an athlete of some description, you want it now, right? You don't want to wait. You wanted it yesterday, whatever that might be, just climbing the next rung on the ladder or winning that next game or winning that championship game. You want it to happen so badly, you want it to happen now. And there was no question that Helio wanted that fourth Indianapolis 500 win so desperately, and to be part of that extremely special group. But he employed such patience, and to me that was something that really resonated, because he was a veteran, he was older than the majority of the field, but he used that to his advantage. Don't panic early, let the race come to you, use everything you've learnt so far, and don't want it so bad that you're going to have an unforced error and put yourself in a compromised position. He displayed just such supreme confidence and calm and patience, and that's what led him to that incredible moment. So that will be a standout forever for me.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
And let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.